8 different types of beautiful dove birds. The Mauritius pink pigeon is a unique species of pigeon endemic to the island of Mauritius. It is one of the rarest pigeon species in the world and is known for its pinkish grey plumage with a slight iridescent sheen. Here are some details about the Mauritius pink pigeon or other types of dove and pigeon species. Mauritius pink pigeon. It has a pale pinkish grey body, a white tail and a greenish brown head. The males tend to be more vibrantly colored than the females. This species is found in forests on the island of Mauritius, particularly in areas with tall native trees. It is primarily a forest dweller. The Mauritius pink pigeon was once on the brink of extinction with fewer than 20 individuals remaining in the wild in the 1990s. Conservation efforts including captive breeding and reintroduction programs have helped the population recover, though it is still considered endangered. It feeds on fruits, seeds and flowers found in its forest habitat. Nicobar pigeon. The Nicobar pigeon is one of the most striking and unique pigeon species in the world. It is native to the Nicobar Islands and surrounding regions in Southeast Asia. The Nicobar pigeon is large and colorful with iridescent green and blue feathers and a metallic sheen that can vary depending on the light. It has a distinctive white and blue-gray tail and its plumage is complemented by a bare, fleshy patch of skin around its neck. Its long, slightly curved beak is another notable feature. Found mainly in tropical islands, especially in the Nicobar Islands and other Southeast Asian islands. They prefer coastal forests and often live near the shorelines. Nicobar pigeons feed on seeds, fruits and nuts as well as some invertebrates. They are known to forage on the ground or in the trees. The Nicobar pigeon is not currently considered endangered, but its population is declining due to habitat loss and the threat of hunting. It is classified as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Jamaica tody. The Jamaican tody is a small colorful bird native to the island of Jamaica. It is known for its vibrant plumage and unique appearance. The Jamaican tody is a small brightly colored bird with greenish plumage, a red throat and a white belly. It has a broad flattened bill and large expressive eyes. The bird's colors are particularly vivid, making it a striking sight in the forest where it resides. This bird is typically found in forests, particularly in the mountainous regions of Jamaica. It prefers areas with dense vegetation and is often found in the understory, where it feeds on insects. Behavior. The Jamaican tody is known for its energetic and bushy behavior. It has an insectivorous bird that catches prey with its quick darting movements. The Jamaican tody is not considered endangered, though its habitat can be affected by deforestation and other environmental changes. It is classified as least concerned by the IUCN concerned, though it is still vulnerable to habitat degradation. Victoria crowned pigeon. The Victoria crowned pigeon is one of the largest and most striking species of pigeon in the world, native to New Guinea. This pigeon is known for its striking iridescent blue-gray plumage with an elaborate lacy crown of feathers on its head. The feathers of the crown resemble a delicate lace-like structure, which is where the bird gets its crown name. Its body is a deep slate blue with a white tail tip and a burgundy-colored breast. It is a large pigeon, measuring about 65 cm in length, making it the largest of the crowned pigeon species. Victoria crowned pigeons are typically found in lowland and fertile forests of New Guinea. They are often seen in dense forest floors where they forage for food. These pigeons primarily feed on fruit, seeds and leaves. They are ground feeders and often forage for food on the forest floor. They are known for being somewhat shy and elusive but are also very social, typically found in pairs or small groups. They are primarily found dwelling and prefer dense, undisturbed forests. The Victoria crowned pigeon is listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, largely due to habitat destruction and hunting pressures. Efforts are underway to protect their habitat, but they remain at risk. The pink-headed fruit dove is a small colorful dove species native to the Philippines. As the name suggests, the pink-headed fruit dove has a pale, pinkish head that contrasts beautifully with its green body. Its body is a vibrant green with some iridescent purples and blues on the wings and back. The bird's bright plumage makes it a stunning sight in its natural habitat. This dove is relatively small, measuring around 25 cm in length. The pink-headed fruit dove is found in the forests of the Philippines, primarily in lowland and mountain forests. It is a forest-dwelling species that prefers the dense canopy of tropical environments. As a frugivore, it eats mainly on fruit, seeds and berries, which are abundant in the tropical forests it inhabits. These doves are often seen foraging in the forest canopy. They are relatively quiet birds with soft calls that echo through the forest. The pink-headed fruit dove is listed as near threatened by the IUCN. Habitat loss due to deforestation is a primary concern, as well as hunting and trapping. Conservation efforts are in place, but the species is still vulnerable. White-winged dove. The white-winged dove dove is a medium-sized dove native to the southeastern United States, Mexico, and Central America. The white-winged dove has a mostly grayish-brown body with a distinct white patch on its wings, which is the bird's most noticeable feature. The wings are often highlighted with a contrasting white line when in flight. It also has a red eye ring and a somewhat sharp bill. It typically measures around 33 cm in length. This dove is commonly found in arid regions such as deserts, scrublands, and even urban areas in the southwestern United States, especially in places like Arizona and Texas. It is also found in Mexico and Central America. The white-winged dove feeds primarily on seeds, fruits, and berries. It is especially attracted to prickly pear cactus fruits. This dove is a ground feeder, often seen foraging for food on the ground. It tends to be a bit more solitary than some other dove species but can also form small flocks, especially during migration. The white-winged dove is currently classified as least concern by the IUCN, although these populations may face local declines due to habitat changes and hunting. Lizard-wood pigeon. The lizard-wood pigeon is a species of pigeon native to the islands of Southeast Asia, especially in the Philippines and nearby regions. It is a medium-sized pigeon with a slightly grey body and a slightly iridescent greenish sheen on the neck and wings. The bird also has a white belly and a distinctive soft yellowish color around its face. The legs and beak are often reddish. The lizard-wood pigeon is relatively compact, measuring about 38 to 42 cm in length. This species prefers tropical forested areas, often found in montane and lowland forests. It is mostly seen in coastal and forested regions of the Philippines, Borneo, and Sumatra. The lizard-wood pigeon feeds on fruits, seeds, and leaves, foraging in the trees and sometimes on the ground. This pigeon is generally solitary or found in small groups, often perched high in trees. Its call is a low, mournful sound, and it is known for being quite elusive in the natural habitat. The lizard-wood pigeon is considered least concerned by the IUCN, though its population is locally affected by habitat loss due to deforestation. Zebra dove. The zebra dove is a small and distinctive dove species native to Southeast Asia, including regions like Indonesia, the Philippines, and Malaysia. The zebra dove is easily recognizable by its unique striped plumage, which gives it a zebra-like appearance. It has light brownish-gray feathers with darker barring across its back, wings, and tail. Its head and underparts are lighter, and it has a small black crescent-shaped marking on its chest. This small dove measures around 25 cm in length. The zebra dove is a common bird in urban and rural areas, often seen in parks, gardens, and open woodlands. It is widely distributed throughout Southeast Asia. The zebra dove feeds primarily on seeds, grains, and small fruits. It often forages on the ground, picking up food from the soil. Zebra doves are relatively calm and gentle, often seen in pairs or small groups. They are social birds and are often seen perched on low shrubs or feeding in open spaces. The zebra dove is classified as least concerned by the IUCN due to its wide distribution and stable population, though local declines can occur due to habitat loss. These all species illustrate the diversity of doves and pigeons in terms of appearance, habitat, and behavior, with each bird adapted to its specific environment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.